batches of students too. They are taking grammar classes, right? Specifically grammar classes. And I have performed today. So, and I'm doing this for 5 years now. I'm taking online grammatical. Yes, grammar. As I told you, I deal with younger ones. So I did my masters in English, no? So I just go for online tuition classes. And Saturday, Sunday, especially for charity, those all students who are not able to pay the fee, and they really want, they are generous students. They are curious learners. So I teach them for free. I don't.
Yeah, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing pretty well. Thanks for asking. And how are you doing?
I am also great, and nice to meet you, Neha. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, Priya. So I'm Neha Rana, and originally I am from Himachal Pradesh, and presently I'm staying in Punjab, in Mohali, and I'm a homemaker. And as I introduce myself, homemaker by profession and teacher by heart, I also I run my YouTube channel where I post my regular videos. Whatever I learn, I just record myself and I post on my YouTube channel. And I love this language. I just want to ace my communication skills, and that is the reason I'm sitting in front of you. And now I would like to know about you.
Very nice, ma'am. I'm Priya. I'm homemaker like you, and I love gardening. In my free time, I do gardening, and I love reading books. Nowadays I have started, but earlier I was not very fond of reading and all.
Okay.
This much I can tell.
Okay. So I would like to ask you, can you suggest a good book that we can
No,
also
no.
read?
I would say read whatever is. No, I am not so padhaku kind of, and uh,
Okay.
y- everyone level is different. So
Yes.
read that book which is comfortable for you.
For you.
Go through the
Okay.
different books, and
Yes, we
I
have
would
different
suggest
choices.
this thing.
Yes. So,
Yeah.
okay, that's very nice. Okay. So, Priya, I just want to know to enhance your communication skills, or is there any specific reason that you are working on your English speaking skills?
Yes, it is the demand of the time that you have to be fluent in this language because
Right.
everywhere, if you see, as a mother, I have to teach to my son. If I will go outside after some time, I have to be trained myself. I have to train myself that I would perform very well in
Right.
society. And also, it uplifts your status in society. That yes, you
Exactly.
can commute easily in this language. And
Hmm.
on global level also, if you want to explore other nations, other states,
Yes.
other countries,
Hmm.
so we need to have command on them, right?
Exactly, exactly. And what I believe, not only for about other states, other countries. If we talk about southern part of India itself, there are Hyderabad, Bengaluru, southern part. They don't know Hindi. They only speak either their native languages or English.
Yeah.
So that is a major part of our communication skills that we need to update ourselves.
Mean that we should not respect our language.
Right, right. And yes, we are Indians, Bharati or Hindustani, and Hindustanis are known for Hindi, if we
Right.
say, right? And one more thing, some people just tell us, or they just throw their negativity that you are learning a foreign language, you are disrespecting your Hindi. I don't agree with them, because if we this is not about language and kind of competition between two languages. It is just that we are acquiring a skill. If anyone wants to have a good job, because there are so many multinational companies, and if you want to get that collar job, nice job, so you need to be fluent not only in Hindi, English, but today people are learning French also, German also. So it's all about acquiring a skill. It's not any competition between particularly Hindi and English. So
Yeah.
people should change their mentality. So see, we homemakers are changing them, how they are accusing us. Yes, I come
Yeah.
across so
Right.
many times.
You know,
Okay.
if we talk about me, I know my regional boli, that is Bhojpuri. I know Hindi, and
Yes.
now we are learning English. I know Marathi also because I studied from Maharashtra. So
Okay.
I know Marathi also. So
See,
we are learning different
yes,
language, right?
right. I am from Himachal, so I know Himachali. Then I am living in Punjab, so I know Punjabi also. I can speak, I can understand well. And I know Hindi. Hindi is our first language. And then comes English. Because we can't deny the fact English has that crucial part in our lives. We can't deny this fact. Learn, and being a mother, as I always used to say, mother is the first teacher of a child. So being a mother, it's our moral responsibility to upgrade ourselves so that we can train our children. And yes, Priya, so see, I just want to discuss a few tips and tricks as a homemaker, as a mother. How can we give our children that environment where they can be familiar with this language?
Okay. So I would like to share what I do. I personally talk to my son in all three languages,
Okay.
in Bhojpuri also,
Yes.
and in Hindi also, and English, so that he
English.
would adapt and his
Yes.
mind would have that capability to understand the versatility of language, and they would
Yes.
adapt at this early stage. And I show him animated cartoons, movies, whatever he would like. So this way I try to teach him. I teach him. I tell during midnight, during night time, I teach him. I
Tell him
I
a story.
yeah, I tell him the stories. So during bedtime, I do that. So
Yes,
this way I'm
it's
doing, and I would like to suggest to everyone that do it and
yes,
upgrade your kids,
right.
because
It's
kids nowadays kids are very very intelligent as
yes,
as per ourselves. So
right.
we should train them.
Yes, they are smart enough to grasp all the concept easily.
Right.
And these days, what we are doing during our bedtime, we are busy with our phones. This is the harsh reality of today's society. So instead of spending time over your phone or with your phone watching reels, we should spend our time with our kids. We can
Right.
tell them so many stories. If you don't know any story, if you can't interpret that story in English, you can read any storybook. This is the
Yeah.
best way. Take a book and you can read that. So it will eventually give you more vocabulary, and you can have that hold of vocabulary, right? And other thing, but I feel that we people lack in our daily life, we use Hindi words for each and every specific things. So
Exactly.
instead of using Hindi, because we already know that now our children are familiar with Hindi, right?
Yeah.
So we can switch to English. Instead
Yes.
of saying kheera, we can say cucumber. Instead
Yeah.
of saying dhania, we can say coriander or cilantro,
Right.
right? So that children grab that naturally. Okay, this is a lady finger, this is brinjal. So we don't do generally, we are sticking switching, or we are just sticking to Hindi or our mother tongue.
Yeah.
We use
Right.
Himachali. I use proper Himachali at home. So we should do this. We can, so that children can be familiar with all kind of words. Sometimes
Yeah.
they don't know the basic name. Even our kitchen tools, tawa, right, griddle, or that rolling pin, rolling board. So we can do these small steps, because these
Yeah.
small steps are going to make big difference in future. So as
Yeah.
a homemaker, I would suggest not only for our children but for ourselves also.
Yeah. Right. Right. Right.
Yes.
What my son do when I do not focus that much, and he have very much interest in learning this language. So
Okay.
sometimes it happens that words come out of our mind. He
Yes.
grasps it at that moment only, and he
Right.
starts.
Hmm.
Kids are so curious mind. They have so
Yes.
curious mind to learn.
Learn.
So if you do not have a habit of saying it, at least tell them that we
Right.
say coriander. You
Yes.
may ask them after a few days that
Yes.
I told you.
What
Tell
is
me
this?
what
Yeah.
is that?
Right.
What is this? So this way
Exactly.
also they can do it.
And if you are not able to make full sentence, not a problem. You can just tell them words: onion, tomato, potato, and we are just using aloo, pyaz, tomato. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Right. Right.
now we know Hindi names. So just for ourselves or for our children's benefit, we can use these English words. So these are small steps which we can start on our
Yes.
part.
Right.
Okay. And anything else you want to add or you want to ask me?
How's the weather at your place?
Oh, don't ask this question. Weather is really troubling. It's hot, like scorching hot. we are boiling here. Very like it seems that it is about to rain, but it never happens. From for a couple of days it's cloudy, sometimes it sun is shining brightly, sometimes it's cloudy, but it's not raining here. And it's terrible, weather is terrible here. It's
Oh,
humid, hot, humid.
yeah,
I
I
used to
understand.
just wipe my
Yeah,
face all the time because
yeah. Same
yes.
here. Yesterday it was raining, but now same we are feeling humid kind of.
Yes, it did not rain here, not even yesterday.
Okay.
It felt like it might rain yesterday, but it did not rain. So we are just waiting. I'm just waiting for rain so that we can have a relaxing life. But okay, okay, Priya. So when you start your journey, or now you are on your way. So what are the hurdles? What are those obstacles you feel in your speaking journey?
Okay. First of all, during initial stage, I was not very much confident, so I was feeling very nervous while talking to anyone, and because of little number of views and likes, I was
Yes.
getting motivated. But because of my family support
Hmm.
and my sister and mother were pushing me always that do it, maintain continuity, at least improve your language through this
Yes.
platform. So I thought, yes, I should do. Sometimes when I was not doing, they were there to pushing me uplift my feeling that yes, I have to do it. Then suddenly, with the grace of God, I was getting mail every day for
Okay.
conversation. So
Hmm.
this thing was motivating me a lot. So
Yes.
that is the main reason
You were
I
able to
went from
overcome.
that stage to this
Yes.
stage.
You know what? I can relate completely with you. With me, it's my family support and my husband, my sister, and my mother. You know what? It was my sister who gave me idea to go for tuition classes and to upload videos on YouTube. It was she only who gave me this idea. And now, whenever I post any video, my mother watches it for the like she is always waiting. As I posted my video, she is the one who watches it. And right, she is like a power bank for me. Always,
Yeah,
always,
same
yes.
here. My mother always comment on my videos, always.
Yes.
She always supports me.
So
So
sometimes I used to tell her ki, I don't feel like making videos, or I don't feel like doing anything. So she's the one. Why you're feeling low? Just get up, get ready, make videos. You will feel good. I am waiting for you. See, I'm your subscriber. I'm your viewer. So I want a video from you. Get up and go.
yeah,
So
and
she's
also
like,
my sister and mother also always say like this. Yeah, we are missing you on YouTube.
yes. So that is actually we are blessed to have family supporting
Yeah.
family. Because okay, Priya. So how do you work on your advanced vocabulary stuff? Like sometimes we have to add so many idioms and phrases too because they are quite trendy these days. No. So how do you work on your vocabulary part? How do
You
you add
know,
new
I
words?
had, I starting places we were going through so many English languages difficult words. So my vocab got improved during that phase. What do you think? Do you think that this YouTube, like Facebook, there was a time when Facebook was very much trending, right?
Mm-hmm.
People were very fond of Facebook and all.
Yes. Yes.
Now people are doing YouTube and YouTube. So what do you think? Will the interest of people, will it find, will
Like
it
why
stop someday?
now? YouTube's craze.
Yeah.
Actually, I too
Not
sometimes I too
before
yes
YouTube.
sometimes I too think about this. So earlier it was a time when Facebook was really even these times also like Facebook is quite trendy. People are using Facebook for their professional purposes also. But yes, nowadays YouTube has that. You have YouTube. We would say that talk of the town or that center place, no, that crucial part of our lives, and we can say so many bloggers they are earning. lot from YouTube's. We can find so many videos related to normal life, normal blogging or cooking or learning videos. So I feel too, कि what if YouTube one day YouTube will lose that hold whatever it is having in our society. But I don't think so it is going to happen very soon, because if it happens, it is going to happen on a gradual pace, so that we can have another platform to grow. But can't say anything, it's unpredictable, because we can't say what is going on in people's mind, no. It can take any side, and these days AI, artificial intelligence,
Yeah.
it has what can't we do. Nowadays people are copying our voices, and they are using. So it's just you can find any material, ready material. You have to just copy paste, that is it. So I think these all platform has that major part in our life, and um, we can't make without these. So I don't think so YouTube is going or going to
But
going out
but
of beat or. Mhm.
but there was a time when TikTok was very much trending,
Yes, yes,
but
yes.
suddenly it got banned.
It was. Yes. So yes.
I saw
So we.
someday before I saw that in YouTube also allows many obscene videos which they should not allow, but people are doing it
Yes.
and making
Right.
videos. And
Right.
it may be possible that government would ban it someday.
Yes.
This
Yes.
type of
Actually.
activities are going on.
Right. Yeah. Right. You know what? That is what we say, that life is unpredictable. So we should be always ready to face the challenges. It is not that we are just relying on YouTube. So we have a second option. We do have, and for us, I don't think so that it's our main source of earning. Yes, it's really important who are totally rely on YouTube, because they can get a that kind of shock if it stops. So for us it's not going to be a big change. We can have another platform where we can connect, and that is the beauty of our profession. We are teachers, and we are not going to out of trend anyways, anytime.
Right,
Yes,
right.
we are teachers and learners both, so this is the quality, this is the beauty of our profession, I would say. Okay, so I think Priya, now we can
Sure.
end this session, right?
Sure.
So hope to see you again.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, same
and
here.
I
I
will
would also like to love to talk to you.
same here.